Hello and welcome to the L&D Academy. My name is Irina and today we're talking about gamifying training. When our friend Dani was a kid, her dad used to take her and her sister on long road trips on the beach. It was a 5-hour drive where they would need to cross half the country to get to their destination. Her dad challenged them to remember, in the correct order, the towns and rivers they would be crossing to arrive at the beach. He had previously designed an amazing scoring and reward scheme by giving them peanut M&Ms to keep tabs on the game. To this day, she is proud to say that she knows her country's geography better than any of her friends. It was knowledge acquired inadvertently while having a great time. She says she enjoyed the stories about the towns discovering new things and cared very little about winning. It was her sister who was all about winning though. Both personality traits, and we will come back to them later, were very well catered to by Dani's dad, Game Dynamics. Without knowing gamification theory, her father designed a learning system for his kids to be engaged, to share, be challenged, and have fun, and most importantly, secure knowledge for life. Today, we know a lot more about how to design long-lasting learning experiences by using gamification elements in the classroom. So let's start from the beginning. What is gamification? Gamification is the use of game design elements in non-game contexts. It's adding a play flavor to any context. In adult learning processes, gamification has proven to be an element that allows adults to fuel their imagination, boost their creativity and problem-solving abilities. It basically makes the hard stuff more fun, motivating learners and making them more engaged with the learning matter. Gamification theory in education is that people learn best when they're having fun. Some of these game-based elements are things like leaderboards and other progress indicators like badges or points, competition, social connections and collaboration, player or learner control, and immediate feedback. In our L&D world, gamification can be used in many learning scenarios, such as onboarding new people, sales trainings, leadership training, compliance, team building and engagement activities. How do you use gamification in your training design? Let me know in the comments down below. Now let's touch on the most important part of the process, the learner, aka the gamer. Personality types in gaming. According to Richard Bartle, gamers are divided into 4 different personalities that we will surely encounter within our learning scenarios. The first are the killers. They focus on winning, rank, and competition. They connect by leaderboards and ranks. In the context of L&D, you may find more killers in areas such as sales teams. Next are the achievers. Their focus is on reaching status and achieving goals. They're motivated by being recognized for their achievements. In organizations, these are the people who seek to be promoted. The third personality type are the explorers. They focus on curiosity, exploration, and discovery. They are curious about reaching less obvious conclusions or results. In the work environment, these people tend to be interested in extracurricular activities like clubs, volunteering, and others. Finally, we have the socialites, the friendly ones. They're all about networking and meeting new friends. They enjoy one-on-one activities, making new contacts, and weaver their network. Now that we know who the players are, I'd like to share 10 ideas to gamify your training. The exciting challenge for the L&D practitioner is to design engaging learning experiences that will ignite the playfulness in all 4 gamer personalities. Idea number 1. Create scavenger adventures or employee onboarding missions. These work great for boosting teamwork, collaboration, creative thinking, and fun competitions. There are platforms out there to carry out these sessions in virtual environments, or you can get creative and make great use of space in live sessions as well. Idea number 2. Use artwork and creative crafty contests. Get participants involved in artwork or creating crafty objects with materials they can easily find in their homes or remote training, or in the surroundings of the training class. Idea number 3. Give bonus points for stellar participation. Award points for different categories of participation during the class. For example, best question, craziest idea, or thought-provoking opinion. Idea number 4. Track and reward learning streaks. This would work very well for compliance and onboarding training sessions where multiple sessions must be completed. Idea number 5. Debates and friendly battles. One of the cornerstones of adult learning is making the process social. So give opportunities to your learners to discuss what they're learning or debate controversial topics so they can discover different perspectives organically. Idea number 6, offer collectibles and trading. Encourage negotiation skills with small rewards that can be collected and traded among participants. Idea number 7, ask learners to find a word or an image. Hide words or images throughout the session, around the classroom if you're doing it live, or in the virtual learning materials for students to find and earn rewards. Idea number 8, unlock your course. Design a city map where each area has different tasks and objectives. Choose a known city with its landmarks like New York, or get creative and create a new city for your students to discover. Idea number 9, create a range of distinctive rewards desirable to different gamers. Remember, some may like tangible things and others may want more subtle things like a longer recess. And finally, idea number 10, monitor, assess, and don't be afraid to change or adjust the games as your learning journey develops. And that's it. Give gamification a try. It has proven to encourage active and continuous learning, create more enjoyable and lasting educational experiences, and it is also a great way for scoring many peanut M&Ms. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. And let us know in the comments down below what other L&D topics would you like to learn more about. Good luck and see you next time!